Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, February 8, 2023. I guess it's about time to do an update on our 1950 18-foot Chris-Craft Riviera. If you'll go to the playlist for this boat and check back at the beginning, you'll see that she's gone through a major transformation. Remember, she was all in pieces. And we put her back together and have finally finished varnishing her. It's a little bit difficult in our paint room to get a really good video because I can't get very far away from the boat. But at this point, she has received about 18 coats of Pettit high build, after which we paid the seams with Total Boat Seal. You must get on Jamestown's website, buy a couple tubes of Total Boat Seal. They're only about 11 bucks a piece, which is about half the price of Sikaflex, and the result is so much better. They pay the seams very smoothly, or it pays the seams very smoothly, flows out, sets nicely, and takes varnish. Once we finish the seams, Joe and Rick have been applying Pettit Captain's Ultra Clear varnish, and at this point we have finished the varnishing. She's ready for buffing, and she has 24 coats total varnish on her. She's really come out well. This was quite a challenge. As you might guess, it was very, very time consuming because we literally, this whole deck was in pieces inside the bilge when the boat arrived. So we had to rebuild it. We used about 3/4 of what we received, and the rest we had no choice. Even though it goes against our grain and against our mission, we had to replace a bunch of the wood up here on the deck. But the hull sides are original, the transom's original, and she's now ready for buffing and assembly. So that's our update on Wednesday, February 8, 2023, on our 1950 18-foot Chris-Craft Riviera. What a beautiful result. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.